Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Michael here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car, 1967 Chevelle, restored back to its original condition. It's Granada gold with the black interior, original buckets. It's a 4-speed car, numbers matching motor. It's a 396, 350 horsepower. Paint is magnificent. Chrome, stainless is fantastic. This car is completely restored. The body was taken off and restored nut and bolt. It appears as new. Fantastic condition. Absolutely no expense spared. We do have the original protective plate as well. Granada gold. .396, 350 horse. Power brakes. It is a 138 car. It's a true SS. This is not a clone. It's a real deal. As you can see, every nut and bolt is fantastic. Completely restored and like brand new. All the hinges, everything is correct about it. Showing 60,461 miles. Some added gauges. We got oil and water down here. Tick-tock tack. See, that's moving. Like I said, original 4-speed car. Center console is in beautiful shape, as you can see. And looks like brand new. Started it cold. Runs fantastic though. Show you the trunk. There's the VIN. It's a 138 car. Look brand new. Undercarriage is magnificent. Tool bolt rear. It's gorgeous. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a buzz. My number is 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.